Vivo is just days away from its next big launch in India, but one key detail has already slipped out early. Ahead of the May 6th event, the pricing for one of the Vivo X300 FE has reportedly surfaced online, and it's turning heads for more than one reason. According to the tipster, the expected launch price could be 79,999 Indian rupees for the 12GB per 256GB variant. He also shared a photo of the retail box showing an MRP of Indian rupee 119,999, though that is standard practice and not the actual selling price. Even so, the expected launch price still looks significantly higher than anticipated. The real surprise is how big the jump is compared to last year. The X200 FE debuted at 54,999 Indian rupees, which means this new model could land roughly 25,000 Indian rupees higher. That's a steep increase for a fan edition device, a segment usually meant to balance features and affordability. While Vivo hasn't commented on the pricing, it likely comes down to the broader trend of rising component costs, something we've been seeing across the industry. That said, the X300 FE isn't exactly light on specs. It's tipped to run on the Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 chipset, an upgrade over the MediaTek Dimensity 9300 Plus used in the X200 FE, paired with a 6.31-inch AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate. There's a 6,500 mAh battery, which should easily handle a full day of moderate use. On the camera front, Vivo is sticking with its ZEISS partnership. The setup includes a 50MP main sensor, Sony IMX921, a 50MP 3x telephoto, Sony IMX882, and an 8MP ultrawide, along with a 50MP front camera for selfies and video calls. It is also the company's first FE model to support a ZEISS teleconverter extender kit, specifically the G2 model, which enables up to 2.35x optical zoom. The X300 FE is set to launch alongside the X300 Ultra on May 6th. With the pricing now more or less out in the open, the big question is whether the upgrades justify the noticeably higher cost. Buyers won't have to wait long to decide.